Every morning before the world demands your attention, you stand at a crossroads. One path leads to clarity, strength, and direction, while the other leads to stress, distraction, and emotional chaos. Most people choose the second path without even realizing it. They wake up, reach for their phone, and hand over the control of their entire day to whatever notification pops up first. But you don't have to live like that. Today we're unlocking 7 powerful Stoic morning codes, simple declarations that act like a mental reset button, helping you build a stronger, calmer, more intentional mind. These aren't motivational cliches. They're psychological anchors that reprogram your mindset from the very first minute of your day. The first declaration is, "My emotions are mine to direct." Think of emotions like weather patterns. They come and go, but you decide whether to stand in the storm or step into shelter. When frustration or anxiety rises, remind yourself that feelings don't command you. They simply inform you. By choosing how you interpret things, you choose how you feel. The second code is, "I give away my peace to no one." Imagine your peace as a room with a locked door. Not every situation deserves a key. A rude message, an unexpected problem, or someone else's mood should never have the power to decide how your day unfolds. When something tries to pull you into chaos, pause and ask, "Does this deserve access to my peace?" Most of the time, the answer is no. Moving on to the third declaration, "My energy goes only where my control exists." One of the biggest drains on your mental strength is worrying about things you cannot influence. Other people's reactions, the speed of outcomes, the timing of events. But when you focus only on what you can control, your effort, your attitude, your decisions, you release yourself from invisible burdens. Every morning, remind yourself that your control begins and ends with your own actions. The fourth declaration is powerful. "My value is rooted in who I am, not what I achieve." Many people wake up already judging themselves based on yesterday's productivity or today's to-do list. But your worth doesn't rise or fall with results. Your worth comes from your honesty, your effort, your willingness to grow. When you start your day remembering that you are already enough, you move through the world with confidence instead of pressure. The fifth code is where transformation becomes visible. I turn intention into action. Every morning, you're given a choice: dream or do. Many people spend their whole life intending to change, hoping to start, planning to improve. But action, no matter how small, is the bridge between who you are and who you want to become. Set one tiny morning action, a 1-minute meditation, 2 pages of reading, a short walk, and honor it. When you keep small promises to yourself, your self-belief multiplies. The sixth declaration shifts your relationship with difficulty. Challenges are my training ground. Instead of hoping for an easy day, expect that life will test you and choose to grow through those tests. A delayed plan builds patience. A disagreement strengthens communication. A setback sharpens resilience. When something goes wrong, ask yourself, what skill is this moment strengthening in me? Suddenly, challenges stop feeling like obstacles and start feeling like upgrades. Finally, the seventh Stoic code, I walk my path, not someone else's. Comparison is the thief that steals your focus before your day even begins. Social media shows someone's highlight reel, and suddenly your life feels slow or small. But every person walks a different timeline, shaped by different experiences and opportunities. Your only competition is who you were yesterday. Each morning, return your attention to your own growth, your own goals, your own pace. When you stop comparing, clarity returns, and your path becomes visible again. And so these 7 declarations: ownership of emotion, protection of peace, focus on control, separation of worth from results, commitment to action, strength through challenge, and freedom from comparison, aren't just morning statements. They're mental armor. They're the foundation of a life led from intention rather than reaction. Repeat them each morning before touching your phone, before stepping into noise, before the world can shape your mind for you. Let you shape your mind first, because the person who commands their morning commands their life. If today's message helped you breathe deeper or think clearer, share it with someone who needs a stronger morning. And tell me in the comments, which of these 7 morning codes will you start using tomorrow?